One of the reasons I chose the course was because they offered me the placement year, and I think gaining experience in the field you're working in is completely invaluable. I think doing the placement year will really help me in progressing what I want to do in my career because most companies require experience for jobs, and I also think it's helped me develop myself and get an insight into the working world. My name is Zoe Horrell. I am an Engineering, Geology and Geotechnics student in my third year placement from the University of Portsmouth. For my placement, I've been working for Red Rock Geoscience, which is based in the southwest, and for the last 8 months I've been at Hemerdon Mine working on the tailings dam. My responsibilities were in doing water pressure testing and rock mass assessment. You pump water in the ground and then you see how fast it flows in, and that correlates to the permeability of the rock. So then when they build the dam, they know whether they need to put concrete in the ground to stop the water leaking out. I think doing this placement year would really help my opportunities getting my dream job because all companies I've researched ask for experience in the field. After I finish my studies, I would like to travel abroad with my work and gain experience in different locations. The advice I would give people wondering if they should do a placement with their course, I'd say take it because the experience you gain is invaluable and you would regret it if you didn't do it.